how to deal with HOA in regards to installing my solar energy system. Many of us live in neighborhoods where the planned neighbor is governed by a group of people known as HOA or homeowners association. You will need to get permission, or your solar panel installer will need to apply for permission from your HOA. The HOA can deny your request to install a solar energy system because they believe the solar panels can alter the pre-planned aesthetics of a neighborhood. If you do have to face a HOA, be aware that most of the states have solar access right laws that actually limit the HOA from preventing you from installing solar panels on your rooftop. This does not mean that they cannot place other restrictions on your solar panel installation project. The best way to overcome this issue is to understand the law of your state and let them know that they will be in violation by preventing you from installing solar energy system on your rooftop. If you prefer, you can let your solar panel installer deal with the HOA, as they must have dealt with them previously for other projects.